Welcome back to Auto Nation Garage. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance sedans of the year, the 2026 BMW M5 F90. This new model pushes the boundaries of power, luxury, and technology, keeping the legendary M5 name alive with even more aggression and refinement. Let's take a detailed look at the exterior, performance, interior, and pricing to see what makes this machine one of the strongest contenders in the super sedan world. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 M5 F90 takes BMW's bold design language and pushes it further with sharper lines, deeper contours, and a more muscular silhouette. The front fascia features a wide, sculpted kidney grille, slightly slimmer yet more aggressive laser headlights, and a redesigned bumper with massive air intakes to keep the twin-turbo V8 cool under pressure. From the side, the stance is low, wide, and athletic, with aerodynamic mirrors, extended wheel arches, and 20 or 21-inch performance wheels that define its presence. The rear is where things get exciting, with quad exhaust outlets, a sleek diffuser, and a subtle decklit spoiler that enhances downforce without compromising the iconic M5 elegance. Overall, the exterior design blends luxury and track-inspired character perfectly, making it instantly recognizable on the road. Moving to performance, the 2026 BMW M5 F90 is all about raw power and precision. Under the hood sits a refined 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 producing around 640 horsepower and 780 Nm of torque, paired with BM's advanced 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission. The MX Drive all-wheel drive system delivers incredible traction, and you can switch to rear-wheel drive for drifting and pure driving excitement. The acceleration is fierce, going from 0 to 100 km/h in just about 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest sedans ever produced. The suspension has been upgraded with adaptive dampers, improved stability control, and stiffer chassis tuning for sharper handling at high speeds. Whether you're pushing it on the track or cruising on the highway, the 2026 M5 delivers the perfect balance of comfort and explosive performance. Inside, the 2026 M5 F90 is a masterpiece of luxury and technology. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, carbon fiber trims, and ambient lighting that elevates the driving atmosphere. The redesigned curved digital display integrates a fully customizable instrument cluster and a massive infotainment screen powered by BMW's latest iDrive system with AI-enhanced controls. The seats are sporty yet extremely comfortable, featuring heating, cooling, and massage functions. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, a premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system, and advanced driver assistance features make the interior feel futuristic and well-rounded. Every element is built to keep you connected, safe, and comfortable while still reminding you that you're sitting in a high-performance machine. As for pricing, the 2026 BMW M5 F90 starts around $95,000 to $105,000 depending on the market, with higher-end performance packages and premium features pushing it closer to $120,000. For the power, technology, and luxury it offers, the price is justified and competitive in the performance sedan segment. So, that's the 2026 BMW M5 F90, a thrilling blend of power, design, and innovation. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car content on Auto Nation Garage.